telephone outage emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Woodford County Emergency Manager. The Woodford County Emergency 911 and the Village of Secor is experiencing an outage with their 911 lines. If you are in the Secor Fire Protection District and have an emergency, call Woodford County 911 on their non-emergency number at 309-467-2375, or go to the firehouse at 109 West Gilman and Secor for assistance. It is currently not known how long the outage will be in place.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WXK24 Odell. Severe weather is occurring or for...
Okay, so yes, I did miss a 911 telephone outage emergency, but I'm still going to count this as an EAS because this is incredibly rare, and there's still a display on my radio, so yeah, just give you a quick look at the scrolls. Usually, they send them out as like 1 hour events, well usually with their CAEs, but I guess 911 telephone outage emergencies go as 6 hour events, so... yeah, saw the scroll on that one. Here's this one with the green advisory light. Hold on. Sorry, you can't really see it very well because of this. There we go. Okay, put that back there. Okay. Then finally the recom. So, yep, there you go.